Oh, welcome to Dad and Lad. This is the unboxing of a Kickstarter backed MOZA Slypod Pro Carbon Fiber 3-in-1 Electronic Monopod Slider and Jib Arm. This is going to need a shorter name. But here we are, the box, reasonable length as you can see, distance, bit of weight to it. Let's open it up. Box inside a box. Don't need that. There we go. MOZA captured the world. Ooh, fancy looking box. Yeah. It's the master kit. I didn't know there was different kits, but maybe there is. See what we can get. Here we go. Packing this says we have main body, a USB-C cable, a bottle bag and a user manual. Nice foam padding on the ends. Said packing bag. Open up what we've got. Tip it down a bit there so you can see it a little better. Nicely secured on the inside with nice interior Velcro straps in here. Hard to find the end of it. And the same at the other end. There we go, one well wrapped. That would be the monopod part. Bit of foam, looking good. Pop that up there for a minute. Get bogged down. And inside we have USB-C cable. So we can get some focus there. Sorted connectors. Another one. And then the bag here. In the middle, we've got a pouch with, that looks like a phone adapter. Type of shutter release, I'm guessing. Focus, there we go. The user manual, which I suggest is probably better looked at online. More USB-C cable. There we go. And reasonably thick bag in the, it's got some padding to it, which is good. And that's it for the MOZA Slypod Carbon Fiber 3-in-1 electronic arm slider and jib arm. Good luck.